We've got a couple big things going on with EverGrow, but before I dive deeper into that, I want to go ahead and say a special shout out thank you to our Patreon supporters. I really do appreciate it, everybody. There's a link in the description if you want to be up on that board for as little as $1 a month. And also, please keep in mind that I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I'm sharing is my own opinion. It's my own research. I highly encourage you to go do your own research. With that being said, let's get right on into this bad boy. If you guys take a look at here on the 1 hour time frame for EverGrow, we can see that there was, some downwards movement that's taken place. There's a nice little bounce off. And we've been seeing over the last several hours a nice bit of recovery. Still got a ways to go, but if you zoom out on the bigger picture here, it's definitely quite a bit higher than where it was just back around the early part of October, about a month ago. Now, something else to keep in mind is that we have 2 instances, almost 3 on the top level of resistance, and then we have 2 instances formed on the bottom level of support. So I feel pretty confident about this trend position that's in formation, and this would be considered a bull flag. There's an entry point coming in from down below, and then it works its way through here, and it could wind up all the way to around November 13th before a decisive move. Now, that is based just on standard technical analysis. Please keep in mind, this is a smaller market cap based crypto. It's also still very new. So the volatility with this aspect, you can't have full reliance of a track record history with being able to do these TAs. But it's still something that gives us a bit more of a leading indicator of what is likely to happen next. Plus with TA technical analysis, it's not 100% with these things anyways. So as it is right now, it looks like we have a higher probability that it is going to go up than it is going to go down. In the short time frame right now, the biggest concern is that we are a tad bit closer to around that level of support area than we are at the top level of resistance. So if this decides that it wants to start cooling down, I'd really keep an eye on this level of support. If it breaks down further, it could have a substantial drop, but I wouldn't see it being anything along the lines of what you guys are seeing here. Because if it did that, then, well, that'd be in the, that would take it all the way down to negative numbers. So I don't see how that would be possible. This thing would just be completely gone. Right now, it could pull back a tad bit underneath, but overall, there seems to be a lot of sentiment with the community that's really engaging in this and has a lot of faith in the project as well. We do have a level of resistance up here that if this manages to break out, it would form a new all-time high. And I'm looking at right around the 42 range. And if it can manage to do that, obviously it's going to be great. There's more opportunity growth continuing even further on up past that, aiming for the 5 level range and then working its way all the way over towards trying to get rid of another 0. It is holding on to its ground right now pretty well. We have a couple bits of news I want to share with you as well. EverGrow coin has burned over 17 trillion since our initial 50% burn. This is coming from their Twitter account. That's around $25 million worth at today's price. The burn will increase once utilities go live, adding further value to everyone's holding. Check out this great burn tracker, and I've actually shown this in a previous video, the safemoondave.com one. So if you guys want to check out the EverGrow calculator video, I do have that up on my channel. Additionally, they've gone over 95,000 hodlers or holders. This is almost a 6-figure number. Absolutely phenomenal. Absolutely incredible for such a short period of time. Thank you, EverGrow Army. And lastly, they've paid another $2 million in rewards. $22 million now. Our game-changing rewards, well, the first one here says that's around $25 million. So that was, the burning. So as far as rewards go, $22 million in rewards. Our game-changing rewards aren't going anywhere except up. EverGrow Army. Don't believe the fudsters. Take some time to research the posts and look out for tomorrow's article on our exchanges. So there's going to be some good news that comes out tomorrow too. This is very bullish. I feel good about the project. I own EverGrow. I feel that there's a lot of opportunity, and I just ran through all of my point of views on this. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I do have referral links in the description if you want to get free cryptocurrency or free stock. It is free money for you guys. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe. Hit the thumbs up like button. It does help us out with the YouTube search algorithm. And click the bell icon so you know whenever we go live. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next episode.